Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you how to use the green screen effects and how to change background of any videos of yours. So let's get started. Before that, please subscribe and give it a big like. So let's get started. So firstly, you need to click in the clips and music button, then select images, then go to any picture of yours which you would like to be the background. So for example, I chose this one. So you need to press it and you need to go to the options pan and zoom and go to no effect, apply to all. So now you need to adjust it depending on how long your video will be or image. So now you go to the layers icon and select your video or image. So I have in my downloads a picture of my thumbnail for the previous video, so I'm gonna adjust it to be exactly to timeline with my picture. Then I hit chroma key, and chroma key you need to select this button and gonna press in the red area, and now as you can see the red area is gone and all is left is the background which is occupant to the screen of the thumbnail. So that's how you do it, and I'm gonna give you how I edit my videos. I'm gonna show you how I put the subscribe thing on my videos. So I go to layers and I hit video, and then I select this one, apply. So I adjust it to my timeline, go to chroma key, then hit the green area. So what's left is a like and dislike button. Then I would like to adjust it. I'll adjust it down there so it doesn't block the subject of the video. And yeah, that's how you do it. And then all you want to do is you have to produce the video in the end by rendering it. So to do that, click the button on the top right corner and save to SD card and produce as full HD. And once that's done, it will save in your gallery. And thanks guys, thanks for watching.